Good day, welcome back. Our topic for today is replacing carbon brushes for Governor Woodward speed adjusting motor. We replace a new spare. This Woodward is a maker for diesel governors. And then type UG-8. Our speed adjusting motor type SMM40. It has 24 volts DC. IP44 means ingress protection. Means 44 is protect against water up to 1 millimeter and water spray for any direction. That is the meaning of IP44 classification. Also class B, and power wattage is 5 watts. Safe torque 0.2 Newton. The scenario is the generator is unstable. Sometimes we put to manual, increase or decrease the speed. Sometimes it reacts, sometimes will not. We found out that the carbon brush is worn out. We also check the contactors, it's okay. But the problem is the carbon brush. First thing before we start, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for more updates. First thing to do if we change carbon brushes, see to it that the carbon brushes that we put or the spare is correct, exact for the part number, or check the part number that is exactly designed for this speed adjusting motor. Okay? Also, we need to check what is the interval for replacing these carbon brushes at its own instruction manual, so that avoiding a future troubles. This is also the correct spare parts and also a genuine part. Take a look, and then it's so simple, just replace and then put it back the cup. Also, as per manual, we need to change a genuine part so that it will last longer and to avoid trouble in the future. After that, test the generator itself without putting in the bus bar, so that the governor will run itself for a couple of times, and then you need to manual the governor, increase and decrease, so that the motor will run smoothly when you parallel and you know the carbon brushes is settled down. After testing mode, you need to synchronize. You need to parallel and then observe the parameters. If it is normal, you can do service what you want. Just a short scenario. The problem is we cannot control manually the governor. Sometimes it will stuck. We found out the carbon brush of the speed adjusting motor is worn out. We need to replace a genuine, and then we test, we observe a couple of hours, and then we do service. All parameters are normal, and that's good. And we need to observe only. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And also we have a Facebook page, Barko TV. Thank you.